If you had to survive with only what's in your backpack, could you do it? In today's video, we're uncovering 15 next-level tactical gadgets and survival tools built to keep you alive, prepared, and unstoppable, no matter where you are. From unbreakable tools to emergency power sources, these are the survival gadgets every true prepper needs in 2025. Let's jump straight in. Number 1. Zune Lotoo Survival Shovel Multi-Tool. The Zune Lotoo Survival Shovel is a 29-in-1 tactical beast made from unbreakable martensitic steel. With 7 adjustable angles, it transforms from a shovel to an axe, saw, or hammer in seconds. Its military-grade build ensures you can dig, chop, and cut through anything without bending or breaking. Built for harsh conditions, it's the kind of gear you'd want if you were dropped in the wild with nothing else. Number 2. Nightcat Backpacking Tent. Compact, waterproof, and built for 1 or 2 people, the Nightcat tent sets up in minutes and keeps you dry in any weather. Its lightweight structure and breathable design make it perfect for fast hikers and stealth campers. Engineered with strong poles and durable fabric, this tent can handle storms and still feel like home in the wild. When the wilderness gets rough, this tent becomes your safest shelter. Number 3. CRKT Halfachance Parang Machete. The CRKT Halfachance Machete features an 18-inch carbon steel blade coated for durability and power. With its Paran-style curve, it slices through branches and wood effortlessly. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip for extended cutting sessions. Whether you're building camp or clearing a path, this machete is pure strength in your hands. Number 4. 55-inch high-limb rope saw. This 360 degrees rope chain saw gives you control and cutting power from the ground. No ladder needed. Its dual-sided blades tear through thick branches with minimal effort. Lightweight, portable, and easy to store, it's the ultimate emergency saw. Turn hours of cutting work into minutes. This tool makes survival simple. Number 5. 12x50 UHD Binoculars. See farther and clearer with the 12x50 UHD Binoculars, built for hunters, travelers, and preppers. Waterproof, shockproof, and paired with a phone adapter, they capture stunning long-range views. The wide field of vision helps you spot danger or opportunities before anyone else. When awareness means survival, these binoculars give you the eyes of an eagle. Number 6. Dexnor Solar Charger Power Bank. With a 27,000 mAh battery and solar charging capability, the Dexnor Power Bank keeps all your gear alive in the wild. It supports ultra-fast PD 3.0 and QC 3.0 charging with built-in flashlight and carabiner. Strong casing and weatherproof design make it ready for the elements. Number 7. Survival and First Aid Kit, 160 pieces. Packed with 160 upgraded tools, this survival and first aid kit prepares you for every emergency. Includes a mall bag for easy attachment to backpacks or tactical gear. It's compact, yet loaded with everything from medical supplies to survival essentials. When danger strikes, this kit gives you both safety and peace of mind. Number 8. Power Card Portable Charger. The Power Card is a wallet-sized emergency battery you can take anywhere. It comes pre-charged with Lightning and USB-C support for all devices. Ideal for travelers, hikers, and emergency preppers who value light packing. Small enough to forget, powerful enough to save your day. Number 9. Solar Camping Lantern 4-pack. These collapsible solar lanterns light up your nights and charge up by day. Each lamp includes a foldable hook, magnetic base, and rechargeable battery. Great for camping, blackouts, or roadside emergencies. Reliable light when darkness tries to take over. Number 10. Survive Permanent Match. This waterproof metal match never runs out and ignites in any condition. The pack includes 5 permanent strikers capable of thousands of sparks. Built from durable steel, it's a long-lasting fire starter for survivalists. When the elements turn against you, this tool brings the fire back.